Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to use promo code in Trading 212 application. If you're trying to claim a free share or bonus using a promo code in Trading 212, it's very easy. First of all, launch the Trading 212 app, open and log into your account. After you are signed in, go ahead and click on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, you'll open up this menu where you need to scroll down and tap on Use Promo Code. In the blank spaces popped up, go ahead and enter your valid promo code that you want to use. Carefully type in your promo code with no extra spaces. Make sure the letters are correct and the numbers are correct as well. And after typing it down, click on Apply Code in blue. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message. Most promo codes require extra steps such as verifying your identity, making a minimum deposit, or doing it within a limited time. But that is how you can easily add a promo code onto your Trading 212 account, quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.